Hey guys, Eric Kyle here, publisher of Great Lakes Scuttlebutt magazine, and I'm excited to be down at the Catawba Island Club Boat Show right here in beautiful Catawba Island, Ohio. And I love it. It's been 15 months since we've had an in-water boat show or any kind of boat show here in the Great Lakes, and Catawba Island is the first to kick off our season. So while I'm here, I'm kind of wandering around. I'm looking for some fun and exciting new stuff to report to you guys on, and if I found something you're absolutely gonna love, I'm here with Eric. EME jet skis?
Yeah, Eric Malone with EME jet skis. Nice to meet you.
Yeah. Tell us a little bit about what we're standing in front of here, Eric.
Well, we have, this is one of our models. It's called the EME Aerial 8. And it's kind of your backyard basher, weekend warrior kind of ski. And it's about 150 pounds lighter than the Kawasaki and Yamaha stand-ups that you traditionally see everybody using.
Yeah.
And we also have the Royd, which is the white one up here, and it's a little shorter, a little wider, and it's really good for the flat spins, backflips. They both do it, but the competition ski for the Royd is the one you want.
Now, wait a minute, you said backflips. You do flips on these?
Yep.
You don't just stand up and go and cruise around? I mean, you're doing stunts on these things?
Yeah, they're specifically made for freestyle tricks, like your backflips and flat water spins and your barrels. So, you know, you take 150 pounds off the ski you're used to ride and you jump into one of these and you're 150 pounds lighter, it makes you 150 pounds better. So
I gotta admit, I saw a little bit of footage with Eric on one of these things, and he's just doing loop-de-loop all the way down the lake, and I'm like, this guy has got to be dizzy.
Absolutely.
So tell me about
I think I'm still dizzy for the last 10 years.
Right. So how long you been doing this? What do you compete in this? What do you do, Eric?
I've been doing it since I was about 12 years old.
Okay.
I'm around the 40-year-old mark. So I'm kind of retired now, but I've won 8 world championships and 11 U.S. national championships as a professional.
What?
Yep.
Outstanding, brother.
Thank you. I invented the flat water backflip.
Okay.
And that's why I have these products, because I developed my own hull afterwards to make it easier for everybody to do flat water backflips, including yourself.
Well,
if you wanted to.
300 pounds. I mean, you're gonna need a bigger boat. Bro.
I got guys that I've had guys your size do them.
Really?
At your age.
So out here on the Great Lakes, I mean, we see a lot of people out there in the wave runners, but not a lot of performance type beasts like this. Is this a new market for you guys? Are you trying to develop it up here?
You know, I originally developed it to continue competing and winning world championships. So I developed it to enable myself to, be the world champion, do my job, and as a result, now we're selling to the general public. So it's good.
The brand name is EME?
EME, Eric Malone Enterprise, yeah.
Oh, perfect. Well, there you go, EME. So who offers these jet skis in the Great Lakes market?
Parma Marine, actually, who carry the extreme boats. They're one of our dealers, distributors, and they carry our product. And actually, the owner just bought a brand new Royd EME 1200.
And we're going to see him out there doing flips.
Yep.
I love it. So if I wanted to see some really cool action shots of you in action on one of these things and kind of get the vibe myself to go out and do it, where am I going to see it?
Well, you can Google Eric Malone jet ski, and you're going to get flooded with all kinds of good information and videos.
I love it.
Yeah.
So here in Ohio, it's Parma Marine. Any other dealers throughout the Great Lakes, or are they covering the whole Great Lakes area?
They're pretty much our Great Lakes area. We got a dealer up in Wisconsin. Is Watcon, W-A-T-C-O-N, and they're up north a bit. So, or you can contact us and we'll push you out to the dealer closest to you.
What's your website, Eric?
EricMalone.com.
EricMalone.com. Yep. And if I'm here in the Ohio market or Michigan or Pennsylvania or even over in Canada, where am I going to go online to find out more information about Parma Marine to be able to come see one of these, test drive, and maybe buy it?
I would go to Parma Marine on the web, or I go to ericmalone.com, and if you're whatever area you are around the world, we'll get you hooked up with a good dealer.
I love it. Thank you so much.
Awesome, man. Nice meeting you.
Appreciate it.
Thanks for the interview.
ericmalone.com. You're going to see some fantastic jet skis. You're going to have the time of your life out there in the water. Make sure that you go to ericmalone.com. Thanks so much, guys. We'll see you out on the water.